Hey guys, so you want to know 50 facts about me, so let's just get straight into it. So grab your cup of tea. The sun is going down now, so I decided I need to film this pretty quickly. I just got back from the gym, but I thought while we were doing this, we should put on a face mask and just kind of chill and talk. So I guess the first fact is that I really love face masks. I love doing them. The one I want to use today is the Whipped Coco face mask by Victoria's Secret Pink. Coconut oil nourishing face mask. I just realized I don't have a towel to wipe my hand with, but it's fine. So, I actually wrote down all the facts about me on my phone, but where is my phone? I guess that's my second fact. I lose my phone all the time. Okay, I really need to find this, so give me just a sec. All right, I found it. It was right behind my laptop. I guess we'll start off with my third fact. My middle name is Hyun, so Jew as in Jewish people, and then Hyun as in Hyun. It's on my driver's license. It's my legal middle name. It's actually my Korean name, and what it means is God's wisdom. My fourth fact is that I am Korean, 100% Korean. A lot of people think I'm Filipino, but I'm actually 100% Korean. I was born and raised in Los Angeles, California, and English is my first language. I have 2 older sisters and 1 younger brother. My oldest sister was born in 1990, which makes her 28 this year. My second sister is 26. She just turned 26, born in 92. I was born in 96, which makes me 22 years old. And then my youngest brother was born in 2003, and he is 15. Ooh, my next fact is that I have visited over 20 countries in my 22 years of living. This is due to the fact that my parents value traveling, and we also go on a lot of mission trips. So if you don't know what a mission trip is, it's pretty much like a service learning trip where you serve underprivileged people and in developing countries, and you just serve them, or you help them in whatever form that means. There's a big debate about people from the US or Canada or more privileged societies coming into underdeveloped societies doing more harm than good when they go for such a short time. But that's for another day. I guess my next fact is that I don't believe in horoscopes. I know a lot of my friends do, but I just don't believe it. I mean, I'm a Cancer, but I have no idea what that means. So yeah, I don't believe in horoscopes or reading horoscopes. Next fact is I have become more introverted over the years. Yeah, I don't know why. I think it's YouTube, to be honest. I am really terrible at running sports. I'm fine with volleyball and golf, which is what I played in high school, but yeah, I'm not very good at sports where you run and you have to throw things and hit things and kick things. Yeah, not very good at that. I have worked at Victoria's Secret for the last 4 years. I'm really bad at multitasking. As you can see, it's really hard to put this mask on and talk at the same time. Fall is my favorite season. I have trouble finishing books. I try really hard to be funny. I lead my worship team at my church. Coffee does not work on me, which I heard is potentially you have ADHD. I wouldn't be surprised. I don't like K-pop. I just don't like it. Yeah, sorry. My dad once ripped my leggings because I wore them as pants. I have never read Harry Potter or watched the books. I have never seen Star Wars, and I have never watched the Lord of the Rings series. So sorry if you were disappointed. I was blonde once. My faith is really important to me, and I think I'm a very spiritual person. I have trouble trusting in people. I also have trouble maintaining my friendships. But my best friend is my boyfriend. My favorite time of day is when the sun is going down. I don't have a favorite movie, but any movie Audrey Hepburn is in, I love. I have way too much clothes that one girl needs. When I was younger, I used to like a lot of guys, but I've only ever had one boyfriend. I like to treat myself with a plate of French fries. I used to get made fun of for my eyebrows. I'm a really deep sleeper. I graduated college with a degree in business entrepreneurship and operations. I would wear high heels over flats any day. I never thought I would be doing YouTube this long. My favorite go-to foundation is NARS Sheer Glow. I believe that nature speaks to us. Paris, France is my favorite city. Thin crust Papa John's pizza is the only pizza I will ever deliver from. My parents are immigrants from Korea. It's hard for me to live in the moment. I had braces as a child for 3 years. Truly, honestly, I think Starbucks is a waste of money, but I can't help myself. I took Chinese 101 in college and I dropped out of 102 because it was too hard. But I can say one thing. 你好，我是韩国人. I hope I said that right. It's getting pretty late now, so the light is going down and I think I have to end it here and wash my finger. I hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Bye!